Welcome to the channel, Crypto DNA. Today we are going to highlight several deals from the shop. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Here are the top 5 books for a trader. Number 5. High Probability Trading by Marcel Link. Number 4. Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets by John J. Murphy. Number 3. Mastering the Trade by John Carter. Check the description for the latest deals and promotions. You can also visit our website for more content, merchandise, and other special offers. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Number 2. The Complete Turtle Trader by Michael Koval. Number 1. Market Wizards by Jack D. Schwager.